This video is over volume of cylinders, cones, and spheres. For our first problem, we have a cylinder that has a radius of 2 and a height of 7. We're going to use our formula, V equals pi r squared h, plugging in our radius 2 and our height 7. Solving exponents first, 2 squared is 4. We then multiply 4 and 7 to get 28. And then we're going to multiply that by pi. The directions tell us to use the value 22 over 7 for pi. And 28 times 22 over 7 gives us 88. 88 is our final answer. We do not have to round because we don't have any decimals in this problem. For number 2, we have a cone. The cone has a radius of 1 and a height of 5. We use our formula, V equals pi r squared h divided by 3, plugging in our radius 1 and our height 5. Solving the exponents first, 1 squared is 1. We then multiply that by the height 5. 1 times 5 is 5. We then divide it by 3 to get 1.6 repeating. Remember, we're not clearing out the calculator. We're just going to take the entire decimal, 1.6 repeating, and we're going to multiply by pi using the fraction 22 over 7 as specified in the directions. And we get 5.23809, on and on and on, a bunch of random numbers. The directions tell us to round to the nearest tenth. So 2 is in the tenths place. We round the 3 down, so our answer stays 5.2. For our last problem, we have a sphere, and this sphere has a radius of 4. We use our formula, V equals 4 pi r to the 3rd power divided by 3. We plug in our radius 4. Solving the exponents first, 4 to the 3rd power is 64. We then multiply 64 and 4 to get 256. We divide that value by 3 to get 85.3 repeating. Don't round it yet. We're going to multiply 85.3 repeating by pi using the fraction 22 over 7 as per the directions. And we end up with 268.19047, on and on. Rounding to the nearest tenth means we're looking at the 1, and the 9 tells us to round up, meaning our answer is 268.2.